The mortgage interest rate moved slightly closer to 6% this week, prompting a flurry of mortgage refinances and new purchase applications. It's Friday, September 19th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. If rates continue to improve, buyers may feel more comfortable purchasing. Home prices, this report slipped 6.4% from last September, so the combined reduction of interest rate and list prices would be doubly attractive. There are more homes for sale on the shore this report, 2,251 units for sale, falling to a median $410,000 list price. 140 more homes are poised to come to the market soon. Homes going under contract dropped 13.2% to 189 units and longer at 34 days before a contract and at a lower median list price of $359,900. 134 homes settled at 95.5% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 33 days for sale at a median $375,995. Homes for lease rose to 141 units at a median $2,250 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, September 19th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.